How to download PUBG. Hi guys, it's Mikran from Gaming Basics. Today I am going to guide you how to download PUBG. Downloading PUBG is quite easy, so without any delay, let's start the video. Open the Google Play Store. Find the Google Play Store icon on your home screen or app drawer and tap on it to open. Search for PUBG Mobile. Use the search bar at the top of the screen and type PUBG Mobile. Select the game. From the search result, tap on the official game by Tencent Games. Install the game. Tap on install button. It will take few moments depending on your internet speed as the game size is typically over 1 GB. PUBG is a popular battle royale game where 100 players jump onto an island, then search for weapons and supplies and fight to be the last person or team standing. Wait for the download. Once downloaded, the installation process will automatically start. After it's done, you will see the open button. Launch the game. Tap on open to open the PUBG. And here you go, it's done. That's how you can download PUBG. If you liked our video, press the thumbs up and share button. If you have any question, comment down below and don't forget to subscribe the channel for more tutorials.